I still can't stop listening to Juice WRLD's new album, Legends Never Die. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tell Me You Love Me. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe because I have a bunch of songs from this album coming up. Enjoy. So for the first part of the song, we're starting on the 3rd fret of the low E string. Then 5th fret A string. Then 4th fret D string. Then you're going to slide up to the 9th fret of the D string from the 5th fret. Then 7th fret D string. 5th fret D string. 4th fret D string. 7th fret low E string. 5th fret A string. 4th fret D string. Then 3rd fret low E. 2nd fret low E. Then you're going to go to the 5th fret of the low E string, 4th fret A string, then you're going to slide up to the 7th fret of the D string from the 5th fret, 5th fret D string, 4th fret D string twice, 5th fret D string, 4th fret D string, 2nd fret D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So the other guitar that plays during this part starts on the 16th fret of the G string. We're going to hammer on to the 18th fret. Then 17th fret, high E. 19th fret, B string, 19th fret, G string, 19th fret, high E, 17th fret, high E, 19th fret, B, 17th fret, B string, 19th fret, G string, 16th fret, G string. And then you're going to slide up to the 17th fret of the high E string from the 15th fret. And then you're going to start all over. So all put together, it sounds like this. So the last part you need to know is super simple. It's just a hammer on from the 16th fret to the 18th fret on the G string. Then you're going to move up to the 19th fret. Then another hammer on the 16th to the 18th. And then end on the 16th. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Tell Me You Love Me. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.